Have you ever wondered how one man could inspire and educate generations to come? Join me to find out. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahida Parveen and you're watching Tazkiyah. One day, a Bedouin entered the mosque and began to urinate. The companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stood up, shouting at the man to stop. However, the Prophet, peace be upon him, with his unparalleled wisdom, asked them to let the man finish and then gently explain the sanctity of the mosque, instructing them to clean the area with water. This incident highlights the Prophet's unique and compassionate teaching methods. Prophet Muhammad's peace be upon him's teaching methods were transformative. He didn't just impart knowledge, he inspired change and nurtured hearts and minds. Rooted in the empathy and compassion, his teachings are timeless and universally applicable. Imagine the impact we could have by adopting even a fraction of his wisdom in our daily interactions. Let's take a deeper look in some of his teaching methods. Number 1. Personalized approach. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had a remarkable ability to connect with people individually. He recognized each person's unique strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles. For instance, he used simple analogies for children and engaged scholars in deep discussions. He often said, "Speak to people according to their level of understanding," ensuring his teachings were accessible and meaningful to all. Number 2. Storytelling. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often used storytelling to convey complex ideas in an accessible and memorable way. These parables were tailored to the listener's experiences, making them relatable and impactful. For example, he narrated the story of a prostitute forgiven by Allah for giving water to a thirsty dog. Number 3. Practical demonstration. Another key method was practical demonstration. The Prophet didn't just tell people what to do, he showed them through his actions. He said, "The best of you are those who learn and teach Quran." He exemplified this by teaching the Quran through his actions and words, demonstrating honesty in trade, patience with children, and kindness to all. Number 4. Gentle correction. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, believed in gentle correction. Instead of resorting to harsh reprimands, he used kindness and understanding to guide people toward better behavior. For example, when a young man ate with his left hand, the Prophet, peace be upon him, gently reminded him of proper etiquette, leaving a lasting impression. The Quran supports this approach in Surah An-Nahl. Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instruction, and argue with them in a way that is best. Number 5. Encouragement and praise. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, frequently used encouragement and praise to build confidence and reinforce positive behavior. By recognizing people's good qualities, he motivated them to pursue even greater virtues. This approach created a supportive and uplifting environment. For instance, the Prophet said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character." Number 6. Adaptability to the audience. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, excelled at adapting his teachings to meet his audience. He communicated in a manner that was clear and relatable to everyone, regardless of age or intellectual capacity. This adaptability ensured his message was effectively conveyed. For example, he adjusted his language and examples based on his audience to ensure clarity. Number 7. Use of questions. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, often used questions to stimulate thought and reflection among his followers. By asking questions, he engaged their minds and encouraged deeper contemplation of his lessons. For instance, he asked, "Do you know what is better than charity and fasting and prayer?" It is keeping peace and good relations between people, as quarrel and bad feelings destroy mankind. Number 8. Repetition. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, frequently used repetition to reinforce key lessons, repeating crucial points to ensure they were fully understood and remembered. This technique helped embed his teaching deeply within the minds of his followers. For example, he often repeated important phrases 3 times to guarantee comprehension. Number 9. Encouraging critical thinking. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, fostered critical thinking and welcomed questions. He provided thoughtful answers that promoted deeper understanding and independent thought. His famous saying, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim," underscores the importance of continuous learning and intellectual inquiry. Number 10. Patience and understanding. Patience and compassion were central to Prophet, peace be upon him's teachings philosophy. He recognized that learning is gradual and that mistakes are part of the process. His approach reflected in his saying, "The strong person is not the one who overpowers others, but the one who controls himself when angry," created a nurturing learning environment. Number 11. Building relationships. The Prophet, peace be upon him, established strong personal connections with his followers, enhancing the impact of his teachings. By understanding individual circumstances, he provided tailored guidance that resonated deeply. Number 12. Emphasis on building character. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized moral and ethical education, focusing on developing good character and social responsibility. His teachings included values like honesty, respect, and justice, essential for a harmonious society. He instructed, do not do to others what you do not want done to yourself, highlighting the importance of empathy and ethical behavior. Number 13. Consistency. Consistency was a cornerstone of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him's, approach. His unwavering actions and his words built trust and reinforced his teachings. This principle is underscored in the Quran. O you who have believed, why do you say what you do not do? Great is hatred in the sight of Allah that you say what you do not do. Number 14. Positive reinforcement. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, frequently used positive reinforcement to foster good behavior and habits. By recognizing and rewarding positive actions, he created an environment where good deeds were celebrated. He stated, Allah does not bestow mercy except on a merciful among his slaves. Number 15. Active listening. Active listening was integral to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him's, teaching method. He placed close attention to those who approached him, making them feel valued and understood. This approach facilitated open communication and trust, as demonstrated when he addressed the concerns of his companions with wisdom and compassion. Number 16. Continuous learning and community engagement. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, highlighted the importance of lifelong learning and community involvement. He urged his followers to seek knowledge through their lives and to engage actively with their community, saying, acquire knowledge and impart it to the people. So to conclude, the teaching methods of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, offer profound insights for us today. By adopting these, we can enhance our roles as educators, leaders, and individuals. However, knowing these principles is not enough. We must actively implement them in our lives to create meaningful change. Picture the positive ripple effect that embracing these methods can have on our interactions, education, and leadership. Educators, let's draw inspiration from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him's, approach. Let's foster a classroom where every student feels valued, every question is encouraged, and every lesson resonates. By doing so, we can profoundly impact our students' lives and strengthen our communities. So until next time, peace and grace finds you wherever you are. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Don't forget to like and subscribe.